What's up? Today I'm showing you how to make a AI bot that responds to any prompt that you put into it. First, start off by making a Python file. And make sure to install the package we're going to be using. Pip install OpenAI. Start off by importing Discord because it's going to be a Discord bot. For the commands. Create the bot. Give it a prefix. We are going to use slash command, so we're not going to use a prefix. But just for the slash command setup, we have to do it this way. At the intents. We're going to get our key. To get the key, we're going to have to go to openai.com/account/API keys. And you're going to generate a new secret key. Once generated, just copy that. Go into this variable here. We're going to want to connect the package. Set it to key. Import OpenAI at the top. You can sync all of our slash commands. Bot online. Print the exception so they can get the error. We can make a command right here. Treat command, so it's a slash. Give it a name. AI bot. Description of what it does. Responds with a AI response. Make a new function, call it whatever you want. Interaction. And we want to get the prompts that the user wants. Make that a string. And we want to send a message. It does take a second to respond, so we need to send them a message letting them know that it does take a second. Add bot.run down here, and to put your token. To get your token, just go to Discord developer page, pick the bot you want, and then reset the token. Copy. You may have to create a new one if you don't already have one. Paste that right in there, and click run and debug. See, it logs on, so everything's set up correctly. Now I want to set the actual bot response. Get a response from OpenAI. Completion, and we want to create a new one. The engine we're going to be using is the Text DaVinci one. See it right here. Text DaVinci 1. There's actually a couple different ones you can use. You can use the 3, 2, or 1. You can read through them. 3 is the most capable, so we're going to use that one. We're going to set the prompt equal to the prompt that we want. The one the user inputted. And you can read what all these specific settings do here. We're going to use temperature. You can read what it does right here if you want to. Top P. Let's see, right here. And then the max tokens. This is like the response size, sort of. All these aren't very specific. You can mess around with them, see what you like. Easiest way to do it is just go to this website and then play around with the settings. These are some that just work half decently. try. And I'm going to send the message. I'm going to edit the original one. Since we already sent one here, we have to edit it. Content is equal to 0, so that way it gets rid of the thing we sent before. And then we want to send an embed. Let's set the title to the AI, make an F string, AI response to, and then set the prompt here. Add quotes if you want to. We set the description now. Description, do make it a code block so it looks nice. And here we're going to type the response. Now this actually does return a weird little JSON response, so we're going to sort it. You can print this if you want to see what it does, so we know what I'm doing here. I'm just going to immediately change it to this. Set the exception. It's interaction. We're going to do the same thing here, except we're going to do content. Failed to answer. This should be it. Let's see if we have any errors. Looks good so far. Try to use it here in tutorials. You may have to refresh your Discord if it's not there. Type, write a paper on World War II. See, there is an error because it didn't immediately send. We can see here we added an S. If you use autocomplete, you may not have added that. If you just click tab and autocompletes, that shouldn't do that. Type the same thing. It's thinking. Check for errors. Looks like it's good. There you go, just like that. AI response to write a paper on World War II. Sends us a paper, just like that.